Hello guys, so we are on the bridge right now and we have two air condition here and they are both inverter type. One is causing overload and the other one is flooding the floor, and we need to check what is the problem with them. So come and join me in this new vlog. Normally, the vessel has its own air conditioning system. But since the bridge is in the topmost part of the vessel, then we require sometimes to install another air condition unit. This is for the equipment installed on the bridge, because these are very vital equipment for navigation. So we don't want to cause any overheating on them. Unfortunately for today, both of these air condition units are causing problem. One unit was found tripped and I reset the main circuit breaker to see what is the real condition of this air condition. And then I power up the unit. As per the crew, this unit is really tripping. So the solution that they have found is to put a duct to cool down the transformer. Since the vessel is a Japanese built vessel, so the supply voltage for this vessel is just 110 volts. After powering up the unit, I went to the condenser side and opened the wiring panel to measure the actual current that this unit is drawing. So we will be using a clamp ammeter to measure the actual current of the unit. So we will connect our clamp meter onto the line, and after connecting it, we can get around 16 amperes of current. To check the data sheet of this inverter type aircon, it is written onto the side that the rated current input is around 16 amperes. And the rated voltage for this is 220 volts. But the ship supply is just 110 volts. So they installed this transformer from 110 to 220 volts. So I have investigated to check the reason why our main circuit breaker is tripping, and upon checking, I have found out that the socket used for this transformer is 250 volts, but the current rating is just 15 amperes. So this one overheats and then it melted the wirings inside, and the wire touches the other line and it tripped. It caused short circuit and tripped our circuit breaker. So the duct that they put to cool down our transformer is not effective because the main cause of problem is the mismatch of the ratings. So I replaced the socket with more than 25% of the rated current, and after running it for 30 minutes, our breaker did not trip. So this will run in good condition. So we will now proceed to the other unit, which is causing a lot of water onto the floor. So the unit number 2 is causing flooding onto our bridge. So we need to open it and check what is the condition of the evaporator side. So I will make a separate vlog onto this inverter type aircon on how to increase its efficiency and how you will save more electricity. So the first thing I did is to check the filter. So upon checking, the filter is a little bit dirty, so I have decided to clean this one first. So it is a must to clean this filter. Anyway, it is not really difficult to remove the front panel. so that you will have a better airflow onto your evaporator. Hence, you will have a good cooling onto your air condition unit. So I use this brush to clean the filter. So this is just how easy to clean the filter, so you can do it yourself. So after cleaning the filter, we went to the unit and checked the main cause why it is really having this a lot of water. So we will check the drain hose of this one if it is clogged or not. It is important to have a proper maintenance onto your air condition unit, because if you have a clogged drain, the water may cause short circuit into your controller, because the main controller is just right below your evaporator. And as you can see, there is now a little bit of water enter into this panel. So you don't want this to get damaged because it is really very expensive. So after clearing the water into our PCB board, then I have decided to check the drain hose. As you can see, the water is just staying in there and it is not flowing out. So it means our drain hose is clogged. So we use the service air on board to clear this clogged hose. Checking the water that it really went out, there is a lot of dirt accumulated inside the hose pipe. And then we have decided to clean this unit. We also opened the evaporator side to check the condition of it. And I must say that this is just a 5-year-old air condition and there is already a lot of rust on it. So I made a thorough cleaning onto the bottom side of it going to the drain hose, and then I also carried out a leak detector testing so that we are sure that everything is in good condition. And then I let the unit to run and check if there will still be a water that will drip into this area, because I am more concerned about the water present a while back into the PCB area, because I don't want to lose the controller of this air condition unit. The maintenance and troubleshooting of air condition on board is just part of so many things I do on board. So you need to be very flexible in doing this kind of job. Next time we will be talking about, is it really necessary to install inverter type aircon into your houses? How will you maximize the efficiency of your inverter type aircon? So that's it guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and this is your Lucky Jake, and see you